In this course, we will look at the design, specifications, approving, testing, maintaining, and the installation of fire protection systems. This course examines a wide variety of simple and complex special hazards in the fire alarm systems through the use of real-world application. I have more than 4 decades of experience in the fire service, working my way through the ranks to fire chief. I am a graduate of Argosy University, Sarasota School of Psychology and Behavioral Science with a doctorate in organizational leadership. I also graduated from National Louis University's Masters of Education program, as well as I have a Bachelor of Science in Business Management. This course is designed to cover the material in 8 weeks. Please read your course syllabus and CSU's course policies. Always expand on your discussion and what you have read. Everyone at CSU wants you to do well in this course, so if you do happen to have any problems in the course with writing or APA format, please contact our Writing Center.